This is Honor 200 Lite, and today I'll show how you can fix the slow Android system issues on this device. So I recommend that you begin by launching the System Manager, and here press the Optimize button. Then you can also perform a storage cleanup by opening, the cleanup tool and seeing what measures or what recommended steps this tool came up with, and do them or apply those measures. You can also enter battery or from here, or open the battery category of settings and switch on the performance mode. And the final advice that I have for you is that you clear your RAM cache or simply close all background running apps by opening the list of running apps and pressing this delete button or trash bin icon. And as you can see, our device is now in optimal condition. So that will conclude this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.